Hey, what's up everybody? It's Austin out here at 54 Lawn and Garden. If you've ever asked the question, why do we carry Toro? Here is a prime example right behind me. This Toro Grandstand was checked into our service department, and it's really only in for a brake handle. As you can see, they bent the brake handle here, so it's a little bit rough. So they're just getting that replaced. That's all it's in for. Everything's working great on it. But as you can see, we have 4,952 hours on the clock here, and that is not the full story. So I was checking the work history on this, and at about 1,900 hours they had the hour meter replaced, and that actually reset the clock. So you add 1,900 to 4,952, and you've got just shy of 7,000 hours on this unit. Now, so first thing I asked was, well, what is original on it? So the engine, it's on its second engine. The first Kohler engine was replaced between 2,000 and 3,000 hours. So this is the second engine. The right-hand transmission was replaced at about 4,700 hours. So almost 5,000 hours. And then the right-hand transmission was replaced. The left-hand transmission is still original to this day. So that left-hand transmission has almost 7,000 hours, which is very substantial. But the Grandstand here, this uses a tough torque transmission. It's not a super widely used transmission setup, but we are big fans of tough torque. This is not Hydra Gear, it's not Parker, it's tough torque, and they are awesome. There's actually very few, I would say no transmissions that you could regularly expect to get even 4,700 hours out of, but it's not uncommon at all for these tough torques to get that many hours. And as a whole, this is one of a few Grandstands this customer has that is north of 4,000, even pushing 5,000 some hours. He's got a few in his fleet that have that many hours, and he's not the only customer we have that also have Grandstands up over 4,000 hours. So obviously, you know, nearly 7,000 hours on this unit. It's pretty beat up. I mean, this is a fleet application here, very heavy commercial use all the time, bouncing around on a truck. So you can see it's dirty. This platform here, you can see the backside of that is chewed up. All the curbs that thing is scraped is what causes that. And the knee pad, obviously that's torn up a bit. But at the end of the day, if I turn this key, at the end of the day, it still fires right up. It's ready to make money. It is more than earned its keep, but it is still going strong. That right there is why we sell Toro, because you do not see machines under a fleet use like this with hired hands make it to this many hours on a regular basis. So I feel this is pretty substantial compares to what the standard is for a lot of machines on the market. But y'all let me know if you have a machine that beats this. I'd love to hear about it. Drop it down in the comments, and thanks for watching.